Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree Green from designfordollars.com. It is 10 a.m. and I said I was going to go live at 10 a.m. with some news. So let's make sure that we get this shared in a couple spots here before we get started. So let's see, what day are we on? Thursday. Almost to the end of the week. All right, let's share this. Let's see here. D4D, merch money. Make sure our crew can all see this. Hey, Julie, what's up? I've got my workout gear on. I'm getting ready. I've got the dumbbells out and the ankle weights. And I'm ready to get my little routine on after this. So I just want to make sure we get everybody on here so everybody can get caught up on what's going on. So let's also bring in our merch money crew. Okay, cool. Okay, so a lot of things. First of all, if you didn't catch me yesterday, we totally need to welcome Christina, which I see she just popped on. So Christina has joined the D4D team and she's killing it. She's amazing. She's amazing in the merch community. She's amazing on the D4D team. So make sure that you give her a warm welcome. Watch for her posts. Ask her questions. She's in the trenches like we are. We're all building our pod empires and sharing our knowledge with you guys at the same time. So let's see who else is here. Let's see. Michelle, what's up? Mark. Wasif, hey. Lucille, Whitney. Fudge, what's up? Brooke, hey. And Patricia, what's up? Duncan's in the house, my co-owner, one of my co-owners at D4D. All right, cool. So we need to talk about the big news. We are having a flash sale, okay? So we're on Thursday. So this is only gonna happen today and tomorrow. It is a promo code D4D50, and you're gonna get 50% off any image packs that you want. Hell's an image pack. So what image packs are is a really easy, simple way to attack your design work. So let's say you're cranking out your Halloween designs, right? And so you're spending, if you're not a graphic designer, if you don't have access to graphics, you're spending your time looking for graphics, building graphics and things of that nature. Our image packs take care of that. First of all, when you see the price, they're extremely affordable, but now you're gonna get them for 50% off during this flash sale. But again, it's only 2 days, so you gotta get in there quick. It's D4D50. And you get 50 images, all different. They're all in niches, so if you want Halloween, Christmas, motorcycles, freaking clowns, I don't know, maybe not clowns. I don't think we got clowns over there. Well, we have carnival, trees. I mean, you name it, we've got it over there. And then what you are going to be able to do is manipulate these graphics in 10 million different ways. So we had a little challenge, which we're going to show you guys the results of our challenge. But we took one image pack, and all of us at D4D, the 4 of us, Christina, Duncan, Aaron, and I, we all came up with our own designs on these image packs, and I'm going to be able to show them to you guys later, because it's crazy that we could all be shown the same set of 50 images, and not one of us has a design that is not even close to the other one. Because there's so many different ways you can work them, even when a niche is in like carnivals or something. There's so many different graphics on there. It's like an infinite number of ways that you can use these graphics. Plus you're cutting them and coloring them and piecing them together and making them larger. So what you do with these image packs at 50% off, flash sale, 2 days, D4D50 is up to you. And the cool thing about them is I can use them for personal stuff too. Like I don't have to just use them for merch. I mean, Luna's birthday is coming up. She's going to be 6 November 5th. So if I want to create her invitations, or if I even want to just go over to Etsy and do a whole store of digital downloads, and I need some graphics that are royalty free and commercial that I can use over and over again and cut them up and reuse them, that's what they are. Okay, use them wherever you want. Put them on products to sell. D4D's in. The only clowns available are the 3 clowns around D4D. We are. Oh, if you could just sit in on one of our meetings. It's crazy. We could probably cut our meeting time in half if you could hone in the like shiny ball syndrome, which Christina's doing a good job of. So also, we dropped in the link there if you want to pop over to that link. So let me talk about a few other things real quick besides the flash sale. Besides welcoming Christina, we've also welcomed Ryan Raymond. He is an artist and a hustler and a seller in the community, and he's got sick art. We've got a lot of other people that are lining up to be artists as well. And so keep your eyes peeled because very soon we're going to have their hand-drawn custom vector packs available for you guys to purchase. So that's soon. You'll see some stuff coming out from Ryan. If you haven't already noticed him already, you will, because he's always giving back in the community, and now he's part of the D4D team too. Let's talk about a few other things. I know that we ran a poll in the group, like a survey asking like, what are you guys struggling with? What do you need help with? And a lot of people were like, keywords and phrase research, keywords and phrase research. And it's interesting because at D4D, we love the whole ZIG when everybody else is zagging mentality, right? Like the whole herd is like marching over here and everybody's doing the same thing, you know? And so we're kind of like, let's like try a little something different over here. So what we do with our research for our personal businesses as well as for our clients is we're doing phrase research, not design research. So we're not going on Amazon and finding, let's say, the best-selling Halloween designs that there's already 50 million of, and then you make one, and then now you're on page 37 with that phrase. How the hell is somebody supposed to find that organically? Okay, you're gonna have to drive traffic to that. But what we do is we're zigging when everyone is zagging. So we're looking at phrase research, and we're making original creative phrases based on scaling out quotes and things that are trending, but making them original and applying them in different niches. And we have seen great results in our own business, and a lot of our clients have seen great results as well. So how do we help you? So there's 2 things that we're already offering, but if you see somewhere else that there's something else that we could be giving you guys to help you, let us know. But the 2 options are our system subscriptions and our actual keyword service. Plus, we have a course if you want to do it yourself. We always talk about everybody's business is different. There's not a one-size-fits-all thing, right? Like I outsource a lot. Some people, they don't want to do that, or they're not ready for that. So whatever you need, whatever level of outsourcing you want, we've got it. So systems, what that is a subscription that you can get into. Maybe you're handling all of your own design, but you're just at a roadblock for coming up with good phrases where 10 million other people aren't using them already. So what we do with these systems pack, it's for very affordable prices, starting at around $9 a month. You guys can get these lists of scalable phrases, and then if you go up a level in systems, we give you the image packs to go with them too. You buy one, it's pretty much infinite. But each month you're going to get a new pack to keep things fresh. We also do customized keywords. So even if you have your own designs and you're like, dude, my designs are beautiful, I don't understand why they aren't selling. And a lot of people will send me a link to their design, and I'm like, because you got like 2 words there. How am I supposed to find your beautiful design? If it says funny cat shirt, you know how many funny cat shirts there are? I need to know more about that. I need to know that it's a funny cat flying through outer space, eating waffles. I need keywords. So that's what we can do for you. If that's something where you're like, I just don't have time for that. Like I'm cranking out designs and that's my thing. We've got you. If you order designs from us, it's an easy add-on that you can do. If you already have designs and you're like, dude, I just need some copywriting help, message one of us and we'll get you a customized invoice, or send us an email at D4D email@gmail.com and we can get that for you. Now, if you want to learn it yourself, so let's say you outsource some of that to us. Let me take a look at it. Cool, like I think I can figure this out. We also have what we call the offer you can't refuse, the Godfather offer. It's a keywords course, and it's got some bonuses attached to it. And I walk you through all of the steps that I use, not only to research the keywords, like where are you getting these words from? You're either pulling them out of the air, or you're proficient in it already, or you gotta look them up. You gotta see which ones are hitting the hardest, which ones are gonna bring you up to the top of the search algorithm. So this keyword course not only walks you through several different options for research, but it also walks you through how to actually write the keywords, and it also provides you with a template. So you guys know I was a teacher for a while. For 8 years, I taught middle school science, okay? Science is not everybody's thing. So one of the things when we were going through processes where the kids were like, oh my God, I would love to make them these like, kind of like Mad Libs. So these templates where they could fill in information, and it just helped to streamline the process for them. And then something like that can become more consistent in a habit if you have like a formula that you can plug your keywords into. So, and yep, and Christina just popped on. Oh, Helen's here too. I just got on a roll. I forgot people were coming in here. How's it going? Helen, my co-host over at Merch Money, Merch Boss. Christina popped on to mention the keywords course as well. And I linked all of that stuff here, in the Facebook Live. So if you are, oh, one other thing, 2 other things. What the heck? Value. Like, we're all about value. So when we meet and we were looking at these RTR packs, we're like, yo, so like you can upload your designs for your short sleeve, you know, standard and premium. You can upload your designs on your long sleeve and on your crew neck, and now you're on your hoodies and you're like, well, I don't have a hoodie file. So we're throwing them in the RTR packs now, just throwing them in there. So now when you open up your tabs and you use Merch Lister Pro and Merch Buddy, hopefully, to speed up your process, when you open up those tabs, now you're gonna have your hoodie file in there too for all of those RTR designs that you're buying. The other thing that we do that we have yet to see other people do is the RTR pop sockets. For less than $1, you can get pop sockets, and these pop sockets are going to help you make money in Q4 because they're trending, because the marketplace isn't saturated yet because it's a newer product line. And people are excited about them, and we've got the holidays coming up. So you can, first of all, you could take your designs, you can go to merchresize.com, do it yourself, get your t-shirt designs up on pop sockets if you've got the room. And then if you want to start getting in there and getting in on the action, we've got the pop socket RTR packs, less than $1 for a pop socket pack, or for a pop socket design. And I should add, PSD files, you got those in there, so take them and rework them. Go over to Redbubble. I was on OrbitKit this morning. I have the OrbitKit software, and checking on my Redbubble sales. You can use these pop socket files directly over on Redbubble stickers, or you could even take apart the files and use them for designing other things because we give you the PSD files. One other thing I did, I like to feature like a pack, you know, like just to bring it to your attention, because there's a lot of different packs on there. So today I thought I would feature kind of like the medical field and nursing, because today is actually the 2-year anniversary of me coming home from the hospital. It was a very short stay, but it was crazy because in 2016 I had a sprained ankle, and that's nothing new to me. I was a competitive figure skater, so I've had a lot of injuries over time, but I went to the hospital a couple of times because I had calf pain, and it was misdiagnosed several times, and I kept getting sent home and x-rayed, and nothing was showing up, and I kept getting sent home, and a couple of weeks passed, and then one day I went into the hospital, and I had prolific blood clots. So both of my lungs were completely filled. I had double pulmonary embolism. So that was pretty shocking. I was the freak of the hospital at 35 years old because they couldn't figure out how a healthy, non-smoking person that did not have any indication of like why this would occur would have this happen. So they attribute it to possibly long-term use of birth control over a long period of time. But so this was a good day to feature like the medical field. I'm thankful for the medical field. Holy crap. So that was kind of a crazy period of time. And here I am now 2 years later, and I'm in the best shape ever on a keto diet, and I'm about to weight lift. So I think I've talked long enough. We're going on 15 minutes. Betsy, what's up? Hey, Steve, Diane, Dennis, thanks for joining us. Okay, quick recap. Welcome, Christina. Welcome, Ryan, to the D4D team. They're our newest members. Christina's helping to whip everybody into shape, and Ryan is an artist and also will be collaborating with us on a few projects. We've got the flash sale, D4D 50 on the image packs. The image packs that you could use for designs, you can use it for pop sockets, you can use them for invitations, you can put them on a tote bag, you can make digital downloads out of them, put them on your website, I don't know, do whatever you want with them. But they're half off, and that's only for 2 days. Our value that we add now, we've added in those hoodie files for you guys, because when you're going through, it didn't make sense to like stop at the hoodies, like how about my hoodie files? So we've got those now. We throw in the PSD files for you. We're the only people right now offering you guys RTR, I should call them RTP, ready to pop sockets. Not only do we offer them, but they're less than $1 each. Plus you can manipulate the files and use them in other ways. And then also, I briefly talked about our systems, which is a strategy you can use if you're doing your design work, or if you're not doing your design work, whatever. Have your VA even take a look at it. But we provide you with scalable phrases and images depending on what tier you're on. Also, we do custom keywords for you. We'll do the actual copywriting. Or you could take the offer you can't refuse, which is the Godfather offer, which is our keywords course. It's going to show you how to do it. It's going to show you a way that you can emulate it. You can do it. So I think that's it. I definitely didn't keep it short, but I just had too much to tell you guys. So Ryan, thank you for the sale. Now I have to spend double since they're 50% off. Hell yeah! Thanks, Ryan. Ryan is the best. He's amazing. He's bought quite a bit of stuff from us as well. So he rocks. Thank you. Hey, Josh, what's up? My buddy Josh is on. So you guys have an amazing day. I can't believe I got up this early. I'm probably looking a little tired here. Not that I don't get up this early. I just don't go public this early. I don't interact this early. I kind of like to like chill for a couple hours. So, but anyway, guys, you know where to find me. Hit us up. Message Christina or I, Duncan, Aaron, anybody on the team. If you guys have questions about anything, if you have suggestions.